In today's episode of the Science Snap, let's learn about black holes. Space is a pretty dark place. Even so, some areas are darker than others. Nothing is darker than a black hole. A black hole is an area of such immense gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. How do black holes form? Black holes form at the end of some stars' lives. The energy that held the star together disappears and it collapses in on itself, producing a magnificent explosion. Here's where things get crazy. All of the matter left over from explosion, many times the mass of a sun, falls into an infinitely small point. Singularity. The point where all the Mars is trapped is called singularity. It may be infinitely small, but its influence is enormous. Imagine a circle with singularity in the middle. The gravity on the inside of the circle is so strong that nothing can escape. It sucks in everything, even light. That's why it's black. The circle is known as the event horizon, and event horizon is probably what you are thinking of when you think of a black hole. So, what happens when we go near a black hole? Let's assume that you start outside the event horizon of the black hole. As you look toward it, you see a circle of a darkness around the black hole. You see the familiar stars of the night sky, but their pattern is strangely distorted, as the light from the distant stars gets bent by the black hole's gravity. As you fall towards the black hole, you move faster and faster, accelerated by gravity. Your feet feel stronger gravitational pull than your head. As a result, your body is stretched apart. For small black holes, the stretching is so strong that your body is completely torn apart before you reach the event horizon. If you fall into a supermassive black hole, your body remains intact even as you cross the event horizon, but soon thereafter you reach the central singularity, where you are squashed into a single point of infinite density. You have become one with the black hole. Unfortunately then, you won't be able to write home your experience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting science animations. Also hit the bell icon to join our notification squad.